This video is a troubleshooting video for when you are having trouble accessing Google Classroom or Google Meet. It could be two things. One being you do not have the correct account up, which means you need to switch your accounts to your student's account. So in order to do that, you would go to google.com. And when you go to google.com, you would see your account, your personal account, or that student's personal account, whichever account you have already logged in, Gmail account. Then you would click on that circle. It could be a letter, it could be a picture, and you're going to get this window. When you get this window, you should see the current email address is logged on as. Well, you want to add another account. And you're going to get this window once you do. Okay, you'll get this screen and then you'll put in the student's name, first name, dot last name, and I'm just adding a student that I know that I got permission to do it with, s.dcssga.org. I'm going to let you look at that. It's the first name of the student, dot last name of the student, at s.dcssga.org. This is just the student's not email address, but account address, so to speak. It is an email address, but students in elementary, their email account is not open. It's not turned on, but it does give them access to all of the G Suite products like Google Classroom, Google Meet, and all those products that our county offers our students. So then you would go to next. When you do, you're going to get the portal login. Now, I can't go any further because I don't have that student's information. But once you get this portal information, it's just the Google that wants to authenticate that you are who you say you are, that student. And once you log on, you should have access to the portal. And that's going to be the first step in making sure that you can access Google Classroom, Google Meet, some of those products that you may not have been able to access. Okay, that's step one. Now follow me through to get to step two, because it could be that you need to download or install rather, the extension for Google Classroom or Google Meet. And if you can't, or you get through this and you can access everything, then you're fine. But for those who cannot, even after you've done this step, you may need to add an extension. And I'll walk you through how to do that. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.